Okay guys, thank you for having me on this particular episode. On this particular episode, I'll be looking at, can AI replace teachers in Africa? Can artificial intelligence really replace teachers in Africa? The answer may surprise you. Across Nigeria, across Kenya, across South Africa, all tutors and learning apps are reshaping education, helping students study anytime, even in rural areas with limited access to teachers. AI can deliver instant feedback, personalized lesson, and translate content into African languages. It's like having a 247 study partner in your pocket. But teaching isn't just about facts, it's about mentorship, cultural context, and emotional support. No algorithm can replace a teacher's empathy or understanding of a child's background. Absolutely. Experts say the future is not about AI replacing teachers, but supporting them, making lessons richer, reducing workload, and reaching more students. What's your take? Could AI ever fully replace teachers where you live? Drop your comments below and let's discuss the future of African education. But in reality, do you really think that AI can actually be able to replace our teachers? Of course, absolutely not. I do not really think that AI can replace our teachers because of course there is empathy, there is culture, there are silent signs, and there are silent things that are not said during the learning process. So of course these things might not be visible or known to AI. AI can actually be able to just provide all the necessary materials that you can actually be able to put together and then make you a better person. An AI tool cannot replace your teacher. Alright guys, thank you for having me on this particular episode. I will see you at the other flip side.